One of my decluttering videos was about not saving plastic bags. And as usual, you guys didn't disappoint me. Now, I knew that New Jersey didn't give you plastic bags, but I didn't have any idea that there are actually 12 states will not give you plastic bags when you go into a store. They are Oregon, Washington, Vermont, California, Colorado, New Jersey, New York, Connecticut, Delaware, Hawaii, Maine, and Rhode Island. So some of you, of course, were saying we should be really glad that we have those bags. The other thing is now I have a list of things that people use these bags for. So in no particular order, dog waste, which is of course a good idea. Also cleaning up cat litter. People use the bags for that. If people have friends over and they want to send leftovers home with them or just stuff that they're getting rid of, they use the bags for that. Garage sales, they hold on to them so that when people buy things at the garage sales, they can bag them up and they get rid of the bags that way. Trash bags for the bathroom, of course. That was one of my ideas. Filler, when you go and ship something, when you ship a package, people are using the bags as filler rather than paper or anything else. Because of course on the other end, whoever gets the package can then recycle the bags. Kitchen scraps. Also, if you're packing up for a trip and say you have to put your shoes in the suitcase, you can wrap your shoes in the bag and then pack up the shoes. So some great ideas for using those plastic bags. I also want to give you a tip that I do, and that is because I use them for trash bags, like in my bathroom, I don't want a whole bunch of loose bags in underneath my sink. So I actually use a tissue box and I shove them in a tissue box, and then when I want one, all I have to do is pull it out. So I hope you found those tips as helpful as I did. And if you're enjoying my videos, I hope that you will follow me and hit that like button.